Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In our last video we solved the exercise number 1.6, question number 1. And the question number 1 was use matrices if possible to solve the following system of linear equations by the matrix invariant method. We have solved the matrix invariant method. Now we will solve the Cramer's rule. So the first question is 2x minus 2y is equals to 4, 3x plus 2y is equals to 6. First of all, we convert it in matrix form. So in matrix form, it will be equals to 2 minus 2, 3, 2, and the variable which are involved in these equations, x and y, and this is equals to 4 and 6. So let this is ax is equals to b, a is equals to 2 minus 2, 3 and 2, and x is equals to x and y, and b is equals to 4 and 6. Now we will find the determinant of a. So the determinant a will be equals to 2 minus 2, 3 and 2. This will be equals to 2 into 2 minus 2 into 3, which is equals to 4 plus 12. This is equals to 16. 4 plus 6, and this is equal to 10, and 10 can never equal to 0. So this is the matrix is singular. The matrix is non-singular. So solution is possible. Now we will find the determinant of a of x, which will be equals to 4 minus 2, 6 and 2. So this is equals to 4 into 2 minus 2 into 6. So it will be equals to 8 plus 12, which is equals to 20. 20 is not equals to 0. So the value of x will be equals to determinant of a of x over determinant of a, and the value of a of x is equals to 20, and the determinant of a is equals to 10. So this will be equals to 2. The value of x is equals to 2. Now we will find the value of y. To find the value of y, first of all we find the determinant of a of x, and it will be equals to 2, 4, 3 and 6. This is equals to 2 into 6 minus 4 into 3, 12 minus 12, which is equals to 0. So the value of y will be equals to determinant of a of y over determinant of a, and it will be equals to 0 by 10. So y is equals to 0. So the solution set is 2 and 0. This is the answer of first question by the Cramer's rule. We have solved first part of question number 1 by the Cramer's rule. We will solve the next part in our next video.